This video will watch the best ratings for Christmas sweaters from over 1,562 customer reviews. TUONROAD 3D Graphic Ugly Christmas Sweater Funny Crew Neck Pullover Sweatshirt for Men Women. 100% polyester. Material of Ugly Christmas Sweater. 100% acrylic, soft, warm, and skin-friendly. Exquisite craftsmanship of Ugly Xmas Sweaters. Round neckline, full long sleeve and tight cuff, warm but not massive. Classic patterned holiday sweaters. Festive element design with saucy Santa, raunchy reindeer, various hilarious llamas, Christmas tree, and snowflakes. Occasions of Santa sweater. Available in unisex couples matching and family matching. Suit for ugly sweater day, office party, Xmas holidays event. Work for a party, holiday pub crawls, and the ski cabin. Perfect for a surprise gag gift. No fade or shrink. 3D print is used in our festival sweaters, making the pattern unique and beautiful. The high-quality 3D print tech also ensures